Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to show Gmail chats and Space Taps on Android. If you're someone who uses Gmail on your Android phone or tablet frequently, you may want to show your chats and Space Taps in the app. This can help with staying organized and keeping track of important conversations. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android phone or tablet. Step 2. In the top left corner, tap on the menu icon. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and then tap on Settings. Step 4. Choose the Gmail account you want to modify. Step 5. Scroll down to Chats and tap on it to check it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to show your Gmail chats and Space Taps on your Android device. It's important to note that in addition to showing your chats and Space Taps, you can also customize other settings in the Gmail app to suit your preferences. For example, you can enable notifications for new emails or choose a different theme for the app. Showing your chats and Space Taps in Gmail can be particularly useful for those who use the app for work or business purposes. It can help you stay organized, keep track of important conversations, and respond to messages more efficiently. In conclusion, showing your Gmail chats and Space Taps on Android is a quick and easy process. By following the steps we've outlined in this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your Gmail app and stay on top of your inbox. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.